Can you imagine having the superpower to make that special woman feel excited and very attracted to you using only your voice and the right words? Know that this is easier than it seems, if followed correctly, and is recommended by scholars, researchers, and internet users as the best foreplay. That's right, the use of words. When they say that words have power, it is not a lie, and we can prove that through a simple discussion, we can come out with several different emotions. The same thing occurs if through words intended to create a romantic mood, they will activate brain parts about it. Already subscribe to the channel and activate the little bell. Stay until the end of the video so as not to miss any important information. The first tip is the crucial one. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will learn 5 steps to cheer up any woman using only your voice and words. 5. Do it while you're with her. When you are cheering a girl up using only your words, it is important that she can hear the tone of your voice. Don't try to get the same effect by WhatsApp, Facebook, or SMS. You might get some effect, but it won't be as intense as the one produced by your voice. Use a deep and intense tone of voice. Studies show that men with deep voices have more partners, since women find this tone attractive. Of course, you won't lower your tone of voice too much, you won't sound natural and the girl won't be excited. Still, try to lower your voice a little bit when approaching the girl. 4. Set the mood. When you start talking, it's important to set the mood for the whole conversation by saying things like, "I try, but I can't stop thinking about you," or, "I've been waiting all day to hear your voice." You will create more closeness and create a romantic, intimate atmosphere. Stay in a climatic place with the woman and be alone with her. Doing this in public may be a bad idea. Other things to say are, "I never thought I could feel something this intense for someone," "I missed you so much," or "You look beautiful." Be short and sweet. A compliment that is too elaborate can go wrong and be misinterpreted by her. Never compare her to other women. Even if it's to say she's smarter, prettier, or funnier, avoid comparisons. A comparison will make her understand that you are thinking about other women. She wants you to think only of her at that moment. If you mention another woman's name in conversation, the girl will become discouraged. Convey a fun, positive energy when flirting. This makes you more open and available for conversation. 3. Ask good, strategic questions. Ask questions that usually generate long answers, but so, "Tell me about what you did today," or "What do you have planned to be encouraging for the weekend?" The girl will perk up by talking about her day and you will show that you care. A good question will show that you are interested in what the girl has to say. Women want to be liked and interesting. For them, a good conversation is the perfect start to a relationship. If she gives a short answer, bombard her with more questions, showing that you care and really want to understand her better, but without being intrusive. You must take both a passive and an active role. You must be active, always asking questions. You should be passive, acting as a listener all the time. Be funny and entertaining when possible. Girls love good humor and laughter. If you are humorous and enjoy having fun, the better. Find and practice some jokes that she might like, or start developing your own inside jokes with her. That way you will always have something to fall back on to make her laugh. Before you go to the second place, leave a like. "What's up, did you?" Then let's move on. 2. Keep complimenting her when appropriate. If she asks how her day was, let her know that you were thinking of her. Compliment her physical and mental characteristics. However, don't say something too gross, heavy, or perverted. Something like, "I couldn't stop thinking about you and your lovely look," is fine. Let the conversation flow by asking about her and showing interest in her responses. Small compliments used strategically will start to excite the woman. Think of very specific compliments to make her feel special, and use them in small doses. Girls like it when you notice some characteristic of theirs that they themselves like. So if you know she likes the color of her eyes, say something like, "I love the way your eyes sparkle when you smile." If she likes her hair, say, "Your hair looks so soft and well-groomed. It makes your face look beautiful." Start with slightly sexier compliments. If she says things like, "Stop," or, "You don't think so," while laughing, keep investing. You're definitely on the right track. 1. At this point, you can start describing the things you want to do with her. Be romantic and sensual, not depraved and crude. You need to prepare her before you start saying bolder words. You will need to formulate your own suggestions and compliments, but here is an example. "I really want to run my fingers through your hair as we kiss. To caress your back as I nibble your neck. Exploring your beautiful body with my fingertips, etc." Be very creative. Create really uplifting mental images. Create a positive expectation, make her look forward to it. Here are some other compliments you can use. "I thought of you when I woke up today. Just like I did when I went to sleep last night. Do you know what I was thinking about? About us, together. That makes me happy." Something else you can say, "You give me goosebumps. Every time you touch me, I go crazy inside, and I know that only you can do that. No one else can. Even a smile from you can turn me off in such a good way." We reached the end of another video. Comment below if this video helped you in any way, and the word "beautiful," so I know you got this far. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day. Leave your like, activate the little bell. See you in the next video.